Hello guys, welcome back to DNA Vlogs and this is Deepen from Pune. Today this is a bit different unboxing where I've got three products from three different brands and I try to club all together. These are not basically direct automotive products, but these are the products that आप लोग use करते हैं while riding on your bikes or for key tags and raincoats and all this stuff. So I usually put reels on Insta, but I get questions like what is this, what is that. So I thought I'll make a proper video of all these three. Will not make it very big, but I'll try to be very short. And I leave links for each of the purchases and coupon codes, if any, in the video description. Of course, outdoor travel gear. This is a raincoat, and I have a coupon code, so you can look out for that in the video description. This are key tags and some stickers from Inline4 that I got. इसका भी कूपन कोड रहेगा वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में. ये मैंने क्रिएटर्सको से ख़रीदा है. प्लेन टी शर्ट्स है दो फॉर माई सन एंड माई सेल्फ. तो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू शो इट हाउ द क्वालिटी ऑन ऑल दिस. सो नॉट वेस्टिंग मच टाइम, लेट्स बिगिन विद द स्मॉलेस्ट पैकेट फर्स्ट. सो दिस इज़ फ्रॉम Inline4 and I'm going to quickly unbox this and show you what is there inside. I don't want to cut. There are stickers inside, तो ऊपर से कट भी हो सकता है. Okay, so here are the two keychains from them. One is a Dominator and the other is an Adventure. Okay, so nice ones. I'll probably click reels and photos of all these stuff and put on my Insta too. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Okay. So this is it. There's a thank you card from them. Okay. Then this is a badge that I picked up. Okay, it's Inline4. Nice one again. This also has come out as a good quality. I love this one. It's a dropper gear ka badge. Really nice. Okay. Then there are some stickers over here. Rise clouds of bloods. Of dust. Sorry, थोड़ा हड़बड़ा रहा हूँ because I want to do this very fast. No road, no problem. Nice sticker again. Then you got some Get Wild Trails के stickers है. Really nice. And this one is Speed Hunter. So this is really awesome. ये जहाँ भी stick करूँगा मैं, I'll try to put pictures and photos and everything on my Insta. So do follow me on Insta. Let's move to the next unboxing, which will be a raincoat from Outdoor Travel Gears. This has come to me almost like a month back or so. I was going to club it with the unboxing that I did, small video that I did for these guys, 100 kmph, but रह गया वो. So I thought why not put it now. And do let me know if you want, in future, if you would want similar unboxing videos from me for similar products. I mean, of course, these are not directly automotive products. मैं जैसे मैंने पहले बताया, ये आप लोग खुद के लिए खरीदते हैं usually when you're on ride or when you're on drive. And these are these brands like 100 kmph, Inline4, Outdoor Traveler, CreatorsCo and whatnot. बहुत सारे brands हैं. I stick to specific brands, like 3-4 brands for these. So अगर आपको पसंद आते हैं ये videos तो let me know. I'll surely add to these videos in future. So this is the riding raincoat. I mean riding jacket के ऊपर पहनने वाला raincoat. Of course you can purchase this for your regular travel also. Size आप वगैरह उनके site पे देख लेना, उसके बाद purchase करना. Now this is I have picked up a size which I can wear over my riding jacket. Okay, so ये है उनका raincoat. The material is superb. I mean it is much thicker than your Quecha, and of course everyone loves the flashy neon color these days, which one brand is selling. So this is why I bought this raincoat. Okay, this has got the best stuff inside. It will secure you very nicely. It has got a flap inside. ये जो cover है इसकी वजह से पानी आपके jacket में नहीं जाएगा. Okay, and this I got for mere 675 after applying my coupon code. तो इसका मैं आपको ऑफकोर्स कूपन कोड वगैरह डिस्क्रिप्शन में छोड़ दूंगा, वीडियो के लिंक्स छोड़ दूंगा. द मटेरियल इज़ वेरी 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 थिक कंपेयर टू योर क्वेचा. ये काफ़ी मोटा मटेरियल है इनका. अंदर की तरफ से आई सी जैसे क्वेचा में होता है वैसे ही एक रबर पैडिंग टाइप है इसमें, रबर मेम्ब्रेन टाइप है. एंड बाहर से ये पॉलिएस्टर वगैरह जो बोलते हैं, आई फॉरगॉट द नेम, India's premium motorcycle, okay, 100% polyvinyl coated nylon, this is what they call, and it's got a nice cover too. So this is one good thing, and this is the size that I picked up, which is XL to XL वगैरह. तो काफ़ी बड़ा है. जैसे कि आप देखते हैं मेरे शोल्डर टू शोल्डर देखते हैं, so it will be somewhere here right now, okay, and my shoulder is here. तो मेरे राइडिंग जैकेट पे है, उसके ऊपर बैठ जाएगा. And you got a nice reflector at the back, okay. So it's really good. I'm really happy for this purchase. वैसे इसके बारे में मैंने सैवियो से सुना था. सैवियो टवाडिया, he writes vlogs he writes. So he has one. By the way, this rubber doesn't smell bad. It smells good. Okay. So you got a good, nice hoodie. You can tighten the hoodie from here. And as I told you, it is quite long. It will incorporate my riding jacket too. Okay, काफ़ी लंबा है, so it will easily take my riding jacket inside. Okay, so I'll wear this for now, and we'll shift to the third unboxing and the last one for today, which is 2 t-shirts from CreatorsCo, and these are one is for my son and one is for myself. I forgot to show. They sent a sticker too. Thank you Outdoor. नेक्स्ट टाइम थोड़े ज़्यादा स्टिकर भेज देना. आई लव स्टिकर्स. दिस इज़ फ्रॉम क्रिएटर्सको. ओके, मैं 3 खरीदे थे, भूल गया मैं. देर आर 2 M साइजेस, सो दीज 2 आर फॉर माई सन. लेट मी शो यू दीज. थोड़ा गर्म होने लगा है. ओह, so let me quickly remove these and show it to you. By the way, this is not the first time I'm using CreatorsCo or this is 100 kmph. ऐसे first time use नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं. I've used their products and the quality is really really nice. That is the reason why we have again gone for them. So this is for my son. इसके photos हम click करेंगे. हम trip पे जा रहे हैं and we'll click photos there and I'll post it on my Insta. Okay. So आप लोग वहाँ भी देख सकते हैं. So this is one and I'm feeling a little odd क्योंकि मैं ये फर्स्ट टाइम कर रहा हूँ ऐसा अनबॉक्सिंग. ऐसे कभी पहले किया नहीं है. Usually I always wear dark shades, but this time we picked all bright colors. This is a nice adventure ready t-shirt. The qualities are really nice, you know, for the price that we pay. So this is the second t-shirt, and the last one, which is for me. If you guys also use similar products from similar brands, do tag me, do comment in the video, do tag me on Insta and I can reshare your stories. So this is their official CreatorsCo wala, but I wanted this, so I picked this up, red one. I hope this looks nice. So we'll end the vlog here. These are all the stuff that I purchased. I hope you like the content. If yes, लाइक कर देना, शेयर कर देना, सब्सक्राइब कर देना, एंड ऑफकोर्स आपका नए हो चैनल पे तो सब्सक्राइब कर देना. एंड यस, बता देना मुझे कि डिड यू लाइक दिस व्लॉग, yes or no, and if you want something else, if you expect something else to show me something more, please let me know. I'll try to improvise that way in future. Thanks and see you in the next video. She knows that I gotta be trusted. She's had love, but the race and I see. She's had love, and she knows that I gotta be trusted. She's had love.